Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do teeth whitening in Photoshop. Okay, I'm gonna show you two ways to do teeth whitening in Photoshop. Okay, so as you can see this picture, so this was the before and this is the after. This was the before and this was the after. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that two ways to do teeth whitening in Photoshop, and this a style of thing you can do the same thing for if you want to do eye whitening or you want to do teeth whitening. So it's the same process. Okay, so for a start, let's first delete this layer, okay, so that we can start afresh. Okay, so the first way of doing teeth whitening is by coming here to the selective tool here for the lasso tool here. Okay, select the lasso tool. So come and map your teeth. Okay, so come and select your teeth like this. Let's first select our teeth here. Okay, so come and select your teeth here. Even if you're not let's Ctrl Z, let's select again. Okay, so you have to be kind of accurate here when you're selecting the teeth like this. So even if you're not too much accurate, as long as you select all the teeth, you know, yeah, like this. You have to be a little bit accurate like this. Okay, all right, like this. Okay, so after selecting our teeth, so come here to selective tool, so come to hue and saturation. Okay, as you can see, our teeth are yellowish, so we want them to become white. Okay, so we shall come here to master, change it to yellow, because the reason why you make it here, because our teeth are yellowish, so you want to reduce the saturation of the yellow in our teeth. Okay, so to reduce, we shall come here to saturation, we turn it down. Okay, as you can see now, they are becoming a little bit gray. Okay, so what we shall do, then we shall come here to the lightness, then we increase the lightness. Okay, we increase the lines, and it's until when you see that it's okay with you. Okay, so let's say like around 80. Okay, so from there, come here to teeth. As you can see now, this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. All right, so after, this is the first way of doing teeth whitening in the Photoshop. So let's delete this layer so that I can show you the second way of doing teeth whitening in Photoshop. Okay, so let's delete this layer. So the second way of doing teeth whitening is by come here to our picture, create a copy. So to create a copy in Photoshop, you have to press Ctrl J. Okay, if you're using a MacBook, you can use Command J. So if you're using a Photoshop, if you're using a Windows PC, you Ctrl J. So after creating a copy, come here to the selective tool, come to hue and saturation. Okay, then turn the saturation about to around 76 like this, or around 80. Okay, then from there, press Ctrl I to invert the effect. Okay, press Ctrl I to invert the effect. Okay, so Ctrl I to invert the effect. So from there, come to the brush tools, or you can just click B, letter B. So if you click the letter B, it will take you to the brush tool. Okay, select the brush tool, then after, change here the light to it must be in white color. Okay, increase the size of your brush tool by going to the bracket tools, and you click on the right bracket tool. Okay, so when you click on the right bracket tool, you are increasing the size of your brush. Okay, make sure the opacity is 100, flow is 100%, and smoothing at 10%. Okay, then start brushing your tool like this. Okay, start brushing your teeth like this. So when you brush in your teeth like this, then after, if you see the effect is too much, come here to opacity, increase a little bit the opacity so that they look like natural, you know, they look a little bit natural. So this is the before, this is the after, this is the before. So it looks a little bit weird. So we have to do, come back here, turn it on, then come back to opacity, increase a little bit here. So when you messed up with some colors here, what you do, we have to clean them. Okay, so to clean them, turn back on the black color, then clean the where there is not like where your effect went wrong. Okay, so where your effect went wrong like this, sorry, Ctrl Z. So turn on the black color, then come here, so clean the lips and where the effect went like, you know. So after, yeah, that's how to do teeth whitening in Photoshop. Okay, and this is the same way you can do with eye whitening. Yeah? If you get something in this video, make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel and click so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much.